If someone doesn't know how to boil corn, now I'm going to tell you. You will need corn, which you have placed in a pot of the right size. Then you pour water over the corn and add a teaspoon. Salt. Taste as you like, you cannot add, and then you bring your corn to a boil, just like I have now. You set the timer for 20 minutes, and we boil the corn in boiling water for 20 minutes. And now it's been exactly 20 minutes. The corn is ready since it's young. If there was tough older corn, then we would have boiled it a bit longer. All that's left is to drain the water. And our corn is ready. Just like that. Here our corn is ready. It's very soft and sweet. For those who like, you can sprinkle it on top. It will also be very tasty with salt. Enjoy your meal, everyone.